Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is 5th of May 2026, and in this video, I'll show you how to get access to Ahrefs group buy tools for under $15 using Supreme SEO. If you are into blogging, SEO, affiliate marketing, or YouTube growth, then you already know how expensive premium SEO tools can be. Let's get started. Supreme SEO is a popular website that provides affordable group buy SEO tools for marketers, bloggers, and agencies. To begin, open supremeseo.com and create an account. Enter your name, email, password, then click on Register. After registering, check your email inbox for the verification message from Supreme SEO. Open the email and click on Verify Email Address. Once verified, your account will be activated. Now log into your account and open the dashboard. From here, you can browse all available SEO tools. They offer many different tools for SEO, keyword research, content marketing, AI tools, and competitor analysis. Today I'll be purchasing Ahrefs. Ahrefs is one of the best SEO tools for keyword research, backlink analysis, competitor research, and site audits. Click on Ahrefs and proceed to checkout. The process is simple and fast. I'm paying with PayPal, but you can also use Stripe, credit card, UPI, Paytm, and other payment methods. Complete the payment to activate your subscription. After payment, go to the Active Subscriptions section. You'll see your Ahrefs subscription there. Now click on Site Explorer to access Ahrefs and start using the tool. You can now research keywords, analyze competitors, and improve your SEO. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below for more SEO tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.